How to turn off safe mode on Android device. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can turn off safe mode on Android device. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. In order to turn off safe mode in your Android device, all you have to do is simply restart your device to exit safe mode. Press and hold your power button and then select restart. Once the device restarts, it should boot up normally without safe mode. But in some of the Android phones, the safe mode notification will be shown in your status bar when the device is in safe mode. So in order to exit the safe mode, pull down your notification bar, and if you see an option to exit safe mode, tap on it and your phone will restart into the normal mode. And if in case the restart does not work, you can turn off your device completely by holding the power button, then select power off. After the phone shuts down, press and hold the power button again to turn it back on. This should boot the device into the normal mode. So in this way, your device should exit safe mode and return to normal operation. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.